Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. Nothing's really changed from yesterday. This is still ranging. We are still big up, big down, big confusion, not really adhering to any levels, and I still believe we need to wait for a clear break of 112 for us to get going again. So it is a big level, 112, so that's why we are bumping our heads at the moment. But if you look at the lower time frames, you're going to see a few things. So from the 3-hour perspective, strong move up, strong move down, strong move up, big down, no real structure there. And if you drop this down to the hour, you're going to see a little bit more chaos. So one day it's good, next day it's bad. Yesterday was a lot of confusion in amongst the moving averages, and then eventually in the US session we got going. So I'm not convinced that you want to be trying to second guess this at the moment. It's probably safer just to wait it out, just let this week run away, and then look at it next week. Have a look at the price action yesterday morning, and above and below the moving averages flat. There's a perfect example of the market not knowing what's going on. You can see buyers coming in, but they still push it down with the big red bars. And eventually in the US session, we kind of got going. Probably some noise that happened because the US markets were also all over the place. But in my eyes at the moment, this is a clear sit on hands. You have no interest in actually getting yourself trapped in this. There's no direction, unlike it was a couple of days ago. Right now, this is confusion. And we're going into the close of the week. So if you bring up the weekly bar, you can see we have a massive weekly range bar that could very well be formed. And I'm just going to adjust this level onto the weekly high, which is right there. So you can see previous week's high, this is a previous week high from last year that we are challenging, and that is at 111,434. And you can see that's almost in the middle of this weekly bar. So until we clear this range that we formed, I am sitting on my hands. So in other words, today will be a day of no trading. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday. Enjoy your weekend.